Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store that's worthy of a download. Now, remember that free can become paid very quickly, so download right after the video. And it seems as though I was able to complete Triple Play Saturday. I know Jackie is loving this one. And with that, let's continue with the review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Razer 12 Hours. I thought it was a nice, unique. The watch face stands out. I gave the developer 2 thumbs up in the door for the design of this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gear 3 and the Gear 2, a nice analog look. When the watch face is on, again, I like the detailing of this watch face. I like the background theme and how it brings out the watch face and adds a little bit of character to it as well. Again, the design overall is nice. You get all your information up front. The watch face is not interactive, so for your steps, you get your step info right up front. Same thing for your heart rate. You're also going to get your digital time, your date, a nice second hand, and nice stylish arms for your hours and your minutes. So I thought the watch face had some character, had a nice look to it. It wasn't bad to me at all. Question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? But with a single tap, you can change the color, which brings the watch face out a little bit more. I like it, people, especially considering that it is free. Again, what did you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face, and if you're going to go ahead and go download it. All right, you all, I hope you all are continuing to enjoy your weekend, enjoying family and friends, eating well, and also being safe. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care. I'll see you all at the next one.